Hello guys, today we're taking a look at the ViewSonic VX3418C-2K, a 34-inch ultra-wide curved gaming monitor built for immersion, speed, and serious multitasking. The moment you power it on, the 1500R curve and 21:9 ultra-wide format immediately pull you into the action. With a 3440 x 1440 QHD resolution, you're getting sharp detail and a huge amount of screen space. Open-world games feel wider and more cinematic, and for productivity, having multiple windows side by side without feeling cramped is a total game changer. Performance is where this monitor really shines. The 180 Hz refresh rate, combined with a 1 millisecond response time, keeps motion smooth and responsive, especially in fast-paced shooters and racing games. Thanks to FreeSync Premium, screen tearing and stuttering are minimized, so gameplay feels fluid and controlled even during intense moments. It genuinely feels like the display keeps up with every movement. Beyond gaming, this monitor is excellent for content creation and daily work. Editing timelines stretch comfortably across the screen, and multitasking becomes far more efficient with the extra horizontal space. Comfort is also well handled, with flicker-free technology, a blue light filter, and a matte anti-glare finish, making long sessions easier on your eyes. The only thing to note is the brightness level perfectly fine indoors, but not the brightest option for sun-filled rooms. Overall, the ViewSonic VX3418C-2K delivers immersive visuals, smooth high-refresh performance, and productivity-friendly ultra-wide space in one balanced package. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.